everybody, this is Chewy from Off-Leash K9 Training, Clarksville and Nashville, Tennessee. Here we have Chase. He's a 5-month-old lab. Comes here for our 1-week board and train package. Chase has got some pretty good pedigree going on with him. His parents are bringing him here because he is just a wild man, aka just a lab. He nips, fights, pulls on a leash super hard. Mom and dad's arms are a mess because of this guy. And he's just a lad. We all own labs here, so we know all about the crazy mentalities that they have as puppies. But we're gonna see what mom and dad have worked on before Chase got here. Chase, can you sit? Sit? How about down? Down. 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 How about place? Can you get up on this thing? Yeah, good job, dude, good boy. As you can see, he can jump. Listening pretty well. I want you guys to check back in this short week and see how this gorgeous guy does. Break. Oh, that a good boy.
I never get lonely. I got these goals to keep me company. I took the rear view off of this so forward, so I only see in front of me. Now the past is out of sight and out of mind. Swore I'd change, now I'm back chasing these white lines. I'm just a long-haired son of a sinner, searching for new ways I can get gone. I'm a pedal to the highway. If you ever wonder why we write these songs, 'cause I'm only one drink away from the devil. I'm only one call away from home. Yeah, I'm somewhere in the middle. I guess I'm just a little right and wrong. These back roads guide me. These pills pretend to be my friend. I'm done for the last time. I'm lying to myself again. I always say that. Now I'm on my way back here somehow. I should know by now. I'm just a long-haired son of a sinner, searching for new ways I can get gone. I'm a pedal to the highway. If you ever wonder why we write these songs, 'cause I'm only one drink away from the devil. I'm only one call away from home. Yeah, I'm somewhere in the middle. I guess I'm just a little right and wrong. Mistakes I made, I paid for them with cash. Walked a million miles on broken glass. I'm feeling like I'm fading. My heart's been slowly breaking. Might pop a pill and smoke and maybe drink. Talk to God and tell him what I think. At first he's gonna hate me, but eventually he'll say, I'm just a long-haired son of a sinner, searching for new ways I can get gone.